Good day, shoppers. My name is Kim, your product specialist here at SM Center Dagupan. Holiday season is here, kaya naman, iba't ibang okasyon ang ating pagkakandaan at pagsasalusaluhan. But wait, worried ka bang maubusan ng yelo at pwedeng makat ang inyong bonding kasama ng family, friends, and your loved ones? No more worries dahil nandito na ang LG refrigerator na mayroong ice maker na sakto sa any gatherings. Ano? Just fill in the water tank and ice maker will do the rest. Very convenient, easy to use, and space-saving pa. It also uses smart inverter compressor to reduce noise and automatically adjust the temperature while maintaining its cooling performance to keep your food fresh and energy efficient. It has 2 years warranty on parts and service and 10 years warranty on compressor. Kaya naman, kung naghahanap ka ng perfect na ref for all occasions with durability, very convenient, and energy saving, LG Ref is for you. Dahil kay LG, life is good. So what are you waiting for? Come and visit us here at SM Center Dagupan and look for me. Service with a heart every day.